I love muffins, and today I am wearing one of my favorite sweaters. I don't know if you can see. Let me stand up. It's my PlayStation sweater. It's really cute. It's PlayStation down the arm. I got this sweater from Forever 21. They have some really amazing nostalgic stuff, and I do dabble in a little gaming, and I play PlayStation when I do that. So why not rep what I love? Today I just want to talk about real quick, we're going to talk about 5 awesome cosplays that you can do in the spring. You guys, spring is sprung. It is March. And I am super excited because I just want the snow to go away. If you are like me and you live in a state that it's always snowing and it feels like winter is almost like 6-7 months out of the year, then you feel me a little bit. It sucks. So in order to imagine and manifest spring, I am going to talk about 5 awesome cosplays for spring, some of which I'm actually doing myself. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, follow me on Instagram if you always want to, follow me on Instagram or check out my blog to see what cosplays I am doing. The first one that I really think is great for spring is Rose Quartz from Steven Universe, because she wears this really beautiful big dress, as you can see, and it's beautiful and it's pink and it's just gorgeous, and it's lightweight, but it's heavy enough to still keep you warm. So that's a great one for wearing outdoors when it's not too warm outside, but then it's not too chilly outside as well. So that is the first one on my list. The second one on my list is Quorra from Legend of Korra. I love Korra's outfit. Korra's outfit is honestly like a spring go-to for me. As you can see right here. It's like, honestly, I like to keep warm, but I don't like to be too warm. So like in the springtime, I like wear like sweatshirts like these, or I just wear like something that it's like, sometimes I just don't want to wear sleeves, but I want to wear like a really something warm, and hers is kind of like that vest, and then it's got these like nice warm pants and some boots. It's like, it's kind of cold, but it's not too cold type of outfit, which is like what spring is basically. Plus, I just love Quorra so much. She's feisty, she knows what she wants, she's determined, and that whole series, Quorra and Avatar, was just amazing. So that's another really good one to do around the springtime. Okay, the next one, number 3, is going to be superhero costumes or cosplays. Superhero cosplay is very great for springtime because a lot of them are full body, so they will keep you warm, but some of them are thinner, so it's not as many layers, and you're not going to be freezing, but you're not going to be too hot. The superhero that I plan on doing is Artemis from Young Justice, which I still need to get the new DC app so I can watch the final season of Young Justice, but I love Young Justice, love Teen Titans. I'm a DC girl. So that's just one. She really, as her pictures right here, she wears like a really like light green costume. It's not a lot of layers, but it does have enough to like where it's a little weight to keep me warm. And I just love the whole aesthetic of this. So that one is great, and that is one that I really want to do this spring. Number 4, a great cosplay that you could do for spring is you could be a fairy. Who doesn't want to be a beautiful, adorable fairy? They're gorgeous. They're very floral, and it's just the whole aesthetic. I mean, honestly, it's just my life. Create this aesthetic any type of way you want to. This cosplay could have colorful hair. You could be wearing a flower crown. You could be wearing an entire dress made of flowers. Just to fit the entire spring theme, it just would be perfect. You get some gorgeous wings. Side note, the best time to buy like I would say like cosplay accessories like toy guns to spray paint, flower crowns and wings, and even like wigs to repurpose is always around Halloween, and especially like the day after Halloween or when it gets close to Halloween and they mark everything down. Buy. I sound like an NSYNC song. Bye. I'm a weirdo. Buy all of it so that you can take it home and keep it in your workroom or your office or your bedroom, and then you can figure out what you're going to do with it later, or you can plan out all the cosplays you're going to do for the year, and then just know that, okay, I'm gonna go shopping around Halloween time because this is when all this stuff is gonna be super cheap, and I can grab like the accessories and stuff that I need. But I've found that to be the most efficient way to do it, because that's when you get all the deals, and your girl loves a deal. I am a cheap Betty, y'all. I likes to be cheap. The final cosplay that I think is really great for spring is Tafiti from Moana, you guys. She's beautiful, green, Mother Earth, gorgeous, you guys. Look at her. Look at her. Just look. Just look. Just look at her. And it's greenery, and right now underneath this hair I have green hair. When I do her cosplay, all I'm going to have to do is attach some clip-ins because my hair is already long and curly and green. Wig, put some curls in it, and put some beautiful flowers on your skin. I've seen some amazing Tafiti cosplays. Like, they just blow me out of the water. Like, my mind is completely blown when I look at these, because it's such a beautiful cosplay concept to just take and make your own. And I just think it's, honestly, if any cosplay was perfect for spring, it's Tafiti. So anyway, those are the 5 amazing cosplays that you can do for spring. Like I said, you can probably think of some more. If you guys can think of some more, put them down below. Maybe I'll try to do those as well. But those are some of my favorites. Those are some of the ones I'm planning on doing. And those are some of the ones that I think that are attainable and they're pretty easy. I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do, give me a like, and also subscribe and share it to your friends. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day full of sunshine.